Hello everybody, I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be going over how you can access webmail outside of cPanel, so let's get right into it. But first let me explain what cPanel is so that there is no confusion among you. So cPanel is an online Linux-based graphics user interface. This is pretty much something along the lines of, as you can see on Windows, the desktop and everything that is a graphics user interface. Pretty much an interface where you can interact with the machine without actually inputting commands manually, and just by clicking the mouse or doing whatever. That's pretty much what a GUI or graphics user interface is. It just makes making websites a lot easier. Now, webmails are of course domain based or web emails directly connected to your domain on your website. So you need access to your site to actually access those emails. However, you can do so outside of cPanel, even though it is possible within cPanel. And all you have to do is launch your web browser and open your domain site /webmail, replacing, of course, your domain with the company's domain name. You can also enter the same thing with :2095 to access the same page. I'm pretty sure this is just the port, I'm not sure. Then enter the email address in the email text box and enter the password where you would like to. Then click the login button and click on the webmail client to read your email. All of these have different interfaces and features, but all access the same data. If you wish to automatically launch one or launch a certain client, when you log in, just click the enable auto load with underneath the webmail client. Then click log out and sign out where you're done, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.